Learn English. Hello. Do you and your family want to learn English? We can help you. We teach English here every day with word games. Today's game is adjectives for all levels. It will start easy and then get more difficult. Number 1. If you need more time, you can stop the show when I raise the card. Excellent. Let's go swimming. The weather is excellent. Number 2. Bob is not a quick runner. He is a very slow runner. He's not quick. Penny. There are 100 pennies in $1. Bob is penniless means Bob has no money. Equals Bob is broke. He has no money. Broke is an adjective here. Jennifer's apartment is noisy because it is near a. This means a very big, important, wide road. A main road. Bob tried to help us, but it was this means he didn't really try very hard. Lame. It kind of means weak. Sometimes we also say a lame excuse when somebody is late. They are very happy. They both have. This means dependable. They don't have to worry about getting fired. And the first missing letter is a T. They have stable jobs. They make good money and they don't have to worry about losing their job. Jennifer thinks that Bob is an idiot. This means a total idiot. A complete. Absolute. She thinks that he is an absolute idiot. Bob doesn't look very happy. He seems. And the first missing letter is a P. Upset. He seems upset. This means not happy or angry for some reason. He's in the hospital because there was an accident. Maybe he will be okay. Maybe he will not be okay. We don't know. Right now, the situation is day to day. We don't know. It changes every day. The interest rate on the borrowed money is. This means it doesn't stay the same. It goes up and down. Variable. It comes from this verb, to vary. See you next time. Hello, new students. My name is Vinny. I'm from Canada. Please see our website for more information.